welcome to my YouTube channel. This is BEW Phonics, and I will be taking you step by step on how to be fluent in your speaking. Remember, fluency in English makes you stand out, and for you to stand out, you need more practice to be able to be fluent. Alright, the first one is letters of alphabets. And before I go on, I want you to know that letters, when written in capital letters, you are to say their names, but when written in small letters, you are to sound them. Today, we'll be taking both the letters, which is their names, and also their sounds. Alright, let's dive into them. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's move on to the next one, which is the sounds. Alright, let's go. A, B, K, D, E, G, H, E, J, K, L, M, N, A, P, K, L, S, T, A, V, Z. Now you have heard the right way of saying them. I want you to practice on your own. You can leave a message to my yes, just leave a message, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask a question. Just send me a message, okay? And if this is your first time of stopping by on my YouTube, please give me a thumb up, okay? Just give me a thumb up like this, and also press the bell button just for you to get notified whenever I upload new video. Alright, thanks and take care. Bye.